Well, there it is. Sandra's foot now 12 days after surgery, and she just had this foot done, and we can see that the incision's just about healed now in 12 days. And this one was done, I think, just about 2 months, a little more than 2 months ago.
Yeah.
And you booked up both of these surgeries at the same time prior to having the first one done, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
And most people would have waited for the first foot to see how it turned out before they booked up the second one. But you had a lot of confidence in what the results were going to be because you know several people that have already been there and done that with me. So tell me your story about how you know these people.
My sister, one of my sisters, had her bunions corrected by you just over 20 years ago.
Okay.
She had a great painless surgery, great results. Still has them 20 years later, has perfect foot, no issues. My son and my grandson have both been to you. So I knew that the surgery was going to be painless, and I knew that it was going to be successful.
I see. And so they all have very positive experiences with bunion surgery here. But then you also know of 3 other relatives that have bunions
Yep.
that decided to go to 3 separate or different surgeons
Yep.
and roll the dice with them, and tell me how their bunion surgery turned out.
So 3 of my other siblings went to 3 different doctors, 3 different cities. All had very painful results. And when I say painful, I think their words are excruciating, the worst pain they've ever been in, words like that. All of them experienced that and then had very disappointing results after the surgery was done. So in comparison, I knew that definitely you were the surgeon to go to.
Right. So I guess the moral of the story is that if you are thinking about going to a surgeon, you should find out what his patients have experienced, because what they experience is more than likely what you're going to experience. And so you got to see 3 people that had great results from one doctor and 3 people that went to 3 individual doctors, and none of them had a very good result.
Correct.
So you were confident that your results were going to be similar to your 3 relatives that have already been here. And thus far it's been true, yes?
Absolutely true.
Yeah. No pain.
No pain.
Walking
no
immediately.
Pain. Easy to walk in the boot. Yeah, I can't complain. Not one day have I experienced any pain.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you for that. And hopefully people will realize the fact that they need to talk to patients from their surgeon and compare them
Yes.
to my patients.
Absolutely.
And, we have over 200 videos on YouTube that people can actually view and see the results of these people. And you can compare patient to patient to patient, and they're basically all the same. Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay. Thank you for that.
You're welcome.